Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Press Win plus A to open Action Center or Open Settings, then System and Display. Once there, find the brightness slider labeled Change Brightness for the built-in display. Make sure your device is connected to power if behavior differs on battery. If the slider is missing, proceed to the next step to use keyboard keys or update drivers. Start with the on-screen slider so you visibly confirm the change. This gives immediate feedback as you adjust toward a comfortable level. Once you have the slider or keys, adjust brightness to a comfortable level while checking colors and text clarity. You can enable night light for warmer tones at night or adaptive brightness for automatic changes based on ambient light. If the slider is absent or keys do nothing, open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and update the graphics driver. Make sure to restart after driver updates. These steps explain why the control might be missing, and they resolve common hardware or drive-related causes efficiently. To finish, test brightness changes after a restart to ensure settings persist. If adjustments still fail, uninstall the display driver from Device Manager and reinstall it or run Windows Update to fetch the correct driver. Make sure your power plan isn't locking brightness, open power options, and verify plan settings. If problems persist, check your laptop maker's support utility for custom controls. This single troubleshooting path fixes most issues. Use the driver reinstall and power plan checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.